Hello everyone! Today I will be making an icon using the iPad again in this video. I made a camera icon in my previous video, but I'll make the headphone icon this time. Also, as this video is an advanced edition, I will also show you how to attach this icon to your presentation handout. Okay, the app I'm going to use is the same as last time, Graphic for iPad. You can check out the link in the description box of this video if you want to know details about this app and how to make a camera icon. Alright, let's get started. From the plus button at the top right, create a new canvas. And first, I'll make the parts of the headphone where you put them on your ears. What do you call those things? Ear pads. Use the lasso tool to create a random shape and decide the color of the fill and stroke. There are fill and stroke categories under the toolbar. Copy and paste the same shape. When you want to copy and paste, go to the menu bar at the top and tap the paper clipping mark. Then there is a copy option, so select that and paste. This way you will see the same shape placed on the screen. Next, I'm going to create the headphone arm. Choose the oval shape from the toolbar and decide on the shape you want to have. Right now, it's filled with black, so change it to be transparent and set the strokes black. The lines are kind of thin at the moment, so I'm going to alter the thickness of the lines here. Tap the eye mark at the top and you can slide the bar for line styles to change the thickness. Then, we don't need the bottom half of this oval shape, so we are going to erase it. Grab the pen tool from the tool panel on the left, which then will show you the scissors mark at the bottom. These scissors let you cut the path. So with scissors, touch the area of path you want to cut, and now the bottom half of the oval shape is gone by cutting off these parts. Okay, I want to add a little bit to the bottom part of this shape, so use the line segment tool to extend the line. For those who use Illustrator or who are familiar with the use of paths, you could also do the same using the path tool. Once you have your straight line, copy using the clipping mark at the top and paste, which will then let you have the exact same line so you can add it to the right side. From here, we are going to adjust some small details such as the thickness of the lines and the shape. And we are also going to paint the part that connects the ear pads to the head arm, but we will use a rectangle tool for that. Actually, I struggle making this icon because the more I spend time on this, the more it looked like the letter G tilted 180 degrees clockwise. And so yeah, it took some time for me to come out of a mini slam, I would call. So I find it easiest to just find an icon you can refer to and try to paint the same thing. Alright, once you've done this, we are going to group the entire part. So select them all, and there is a group option on the ruler tool, so tap it and then everything will be grouped. Yeah, here you can either group or ungroup. Lastly, I'm going to complete the icon in Keynote. I'm going to use the camera icon I made last time. From the clipping mark, tap Copy, then it will be copied. And while keeping this on the side, open Keynote on the right using Split View. Open Keynote. Hold the screen for a bit and select Paste. Doing this lets you have the camera icon on Keynote like this. Go back to the screen on Graphic, and now we are going to copy and paste the headphones. Select all and tap Copy from the clipping mark. Go back to Keynote and paste. And now you have it here as well. You can change the size, and as their range is pink right now, it means that the background color is set as transparent, so you can also attach them on top of images. You can also use these icons on your presentation handouts, so its visualization will look nicer. So go ahead and use them if you can. Alright, that's it for today. Next time, I'm going to create a lot of icons and make handouts, so please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye!